Today marks the Tibetan New Year in China. Thousands of visitors came to the Yonghegong Lama Temple to burn incense and pray for good luck. People started waiting outside the famous Tibetan Buddhist temple in the Chinese capital. Usually people enter the temple hall to pray on their knees. But due to safety concerns, people are now allowed to just get close to the hall, bow, and quickly walk through. It's believed burning incense and praying on the first day of the new year will make prayers more readily heard by the Buddhas. People believe the first person to burn incense at the temple will have the best chance of seeing his or her wishes come true.